guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is a quickie muffins. In half hour you'll get to taste the warm, nice, sweet muffins. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 2 tablespoons of whole milk powder. It's in a measurement cup of 1 cup, and we're gonna add in put in water into the measurement cup enough until making 1 cup of liquid, milky liquid. If you have milk, you can use just 1 cup of milk, but if you have milk powder, you can use your milk powder for 2 tablespoons. Here the dry ingredients. This is 2 cups of all-purpose flour with half cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Just mix it and set to side. Over here I have 2 whole eggs that we just gonna beat until combined. Then beat in 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil with 1 heaping teaspoon of vanilla essence until completely combined, like so. Now pour in your milk, your powdered milk, and again mix it until completely combined. Then we're gonna pour this into our dry ingredients. Once mixed, make a well in the center, and then we're gonna pour in our wet ingredients, and then we're just gonna mix it until just combine, not over mixed. Add in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and continue mixing, but not over mix. Now grease your muffin pan and fill up halfway up. You can use cupcake liner if you want, otherwise just grease the muffin pan. It works just fine, like so. Now we're gonna bake this on preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven.